Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Amrit. So we are back again with our Azure Cloud series, and we have a new topic with us, that is what are function apps and how we are going to create our first function app. So basically the function app are used to process the Azure functions under one unit, or you say that under one roof. And let me open the slide. So Azure function is basically to host the execution of your function, right? So as a function app, it lets you to group your functions as a logical unit, make your work easier, make your deployment easier, and have to share your resources. So this is just a overview that what is function app. So now see, once you logged in your Azure portal, how would you create your function app, first function app? So we just go to our portal.azure.com. We're going to click to this portal.azure.com, and after doing the login you will see the dashboard where you will see this function app. After as I have highlighted, you click on it, you will see the 4 steps you have to follow so that you can create your first function app. One is the basic step where you just select the subscription, your type of the hosting service you want, and the framework you want to choose, or the language through which you want to host your Azure functions, right? Second one is the hosting, third one is monitoring, and fourth one is tag, and final step is the review and create. We see all the step one by one. So once I click on the add button, so I will see this my first function app. Here I would just add my subscription. I will add the resource group. You can add your resource group that you want to create. If you haven't created, then you can just click on the create new. You have to enter the other fields, required fields, and the resource will be available to you. You have to enter the function name. I entered the Techie Amrit. So after creating it, I will get the qualified URL name like https techieamrit.azurewebsite.net. Now it's time to see that okay, we want to publish our functions. So which language we are going to use? So I just selected the .net. I selected the version. You can select Java or Node.js or whatever the language that will be available in the runtime stack here. So you have to select your region. I selected the central US. Then next step would be like the hosting. The hosting, for that hosting you need the storage account and if you haven't gone through my series of blogs, then I will add the link in the I button. You can watch that video, that how to create your storage account. I'm not deep diving into that. And after that you will choose the operating system. You want to use the Linux or the Windows. I choose the Windows version. Now you have to select the plan. I select the serverless consumption. Now it's time to monitor of your health. If something unusual happen with your function, Azure functionalities behave in an unusual way, then you can just click it, and you will see some graphical, or you say that graphical figures of your Azure function, that how number of users that are coming and how it is performed for the whole day. You can select like scaling option. You can scale your Azure function depending upon the type of the traffic time. So a lot of options would be available there. You can select accordingly. Now you have option to the tags. So tags will that comes with the in the key value pairs. You can add as many as tags you want. So I just gave you a small example. I created a name, environment, and value production. So this is for my function app. I know this will be my production function, and it will be easy for me to manage the billing and everything. Now the final step would be like you will see review and create, as you can see. So this is the same button you will see, and once you click hit, you will see that the first function app it would be created successfully. Now you can when you click on that function, you are able to add as many as functions I will create a video for that, that how we are going to create a first function. So this is it, that how you are going to create your first function app and what is function app. Okay guys, thank you, bye.